Hello there, teachers of very young and young learners, and including the moms out there who are homeschooling their children. Do you also struggle in reviewing previous vocabulary in an interactive and fun way? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna share to you one of my activities in reviewing vocabulary. Check it out.
안녕하세요. This is Donna, your Bisayang informant here in South Korea. Kaja!
So first, let's see how this activity works.
Let's go! Spin the wheel. Okay, let's go!
All right, what is this? What is that? It's a
Mouse.
It's a mouse. Great job. Okay, next. Spin the wheel. All right, what is this? What is that? It's a bat.
Good job.
Let's go to Google and search Wheel of Names. So the good thing about this website is that it's free, and the content of the wheel can be customized depending on your vocabulary. This could be numbers and letters or even pictures, which are very useful in reviewing vocabulary to your kids. So here, choose wheelofnames.com. So here you will be directed in this site. As you can see, here is the blank wheels. So over here, you can see the word shuffle, sort, or add image. So let's click add image for the pictures that we want to include in the wheel. So in my case, I'd like to review this 8 vocabularies. So let's click all and click open, and that's it. You can see now there's pictures included in the wheel, and all you have to do is just to click spin, and this will automatically spin. And another thing is, you can see here customize. So you can choose here, okay, the duration during the spin. Okay, what sound do you like? You can say, if you don't want sound, then you can click. But in my case, I choose the ticking sound. And then you can also decide spin time. So I just choose 10 seconds. And after spin, so here we have sound options. You can choose bell ringing and other things, loud applause, depending on your style. And then here you can also check and include some of this, and here display pop-up message. So my lesson for this one is about what's this and what's that. So I write there what's this and what's that. And here you can auto remove the winner after 5 seconds. And the same with the colors, you can customize, and then the image, of course. So just click OK, and then all you have to do is to click here, click to spin. And then it can randomly choose the picture, and then your children can guess, or your child can guess what's this and what's that. Yeah, and then you can close. So as you can see here, there is some kind of ads, so you can actually have the full screen mode, so it looks like so clean. And repeat. So here, yeah, and that's basically it. Good job. Okay, next. How about this one? What is this? What is that? It's a
cat.
It's a cat. Good. How about this one? It's a
Dog.
It's a dog. Okay, follow teacher. It's a dog.
It's a dog.
Very good. Spin the wheel. What is this? What is that?
Hat.
It's a hat. One more time. It's a hat.
It's a hat.
Okay. Spin the wheel. What is it? What is this? What is that? What is this one? It's a It's a It's a It's a
Cow.
It's a cow. All right, wonderful. And two more. What is this? What is that? It's a
frog.
It's a frog. What's the color of this frog? What's the color? It's green.
It's green.
Okay, and last one. It's a It's a It's a b, b, b. It's a It's a ball.
It's a ball.
It's a ball. Okay, very well. All right. So this is it. I hope this activity will make your review fun and interactive. So if you have used this activity, please comment down below and let me know how this works with your very young and young learners. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Annyeong!